Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Are you ready to transform your garden into a vibrant, blooming paradise all summer long? Today, I'm sharing the best perennials for Zone 10 that will keep your garden looking stunning all season. Stick around because I've got some gorgeous picks that are low maintenance and will make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. First up, we have the ever-popular Lantana. These beauties come in a range of colors from bright yellows to deep purples. Lantanas are tough and thrive in the heat, making them perfect for Zone 10. Plus, they attract butterflies, adding even more life to your garden. Next on our list is the blanket flower, or Gaillardia. This perennial features daisy-like blooms in fiery reds and oranges that can withstand the intense summer sun. They're also drought-tolerant, so they're great if you want a beautiful garden without a lot of watering. Now, let's talk about Salvia. This plant isn't just for cooking.
Salvia comes in vibrant blues and purples, and they bloom all summer long.
They're also a magnet for hummingbirds, so you'll have plenty of tiny visitors flitting around your garden. Moving on to another fantastic pick, the Coreopsis. These cheerful yellow flowers are like little bursts of sunshine. They're easy to grow and can handle the hot, dry conditions of Zone 10. And the best part, they keep blooming even in the hottest months. Let's not forget about the coneflower, also known as Echinacea. With their striking pink and purple petals and prominent centers, coneflowers are a garden staple. They're hardy, drought-resistant, and they'll keep blooming even when the temperatures soar. And for a touch of elegance, consider planting daylilies. These perennials come in a variety of colors and can bloom continuously throughout the summer. They're low maintenance and can thrive in full sun, making them a perfect choice for Zone 10 gardens. Last, but definitely not least, we have Russian sage. This plant has beautiful silvery foliage and lavender blue flowers that bloom all summer. It's tough, heat-tolerant, and adds a lovely airy texture to your garden. So there you have it, the best perennials for Zone 10 that will keep your garden blooming all summer long. Whether you choose Lantana, blanket flower, Salvia, Coreopsis, coneflower, daylilies, or Russian sage, you're sure to have a garden full of color and life. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our gardening tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments which perennial you're excited to plant in your garden. Happy gardening, everyone!